Hello, my name is Jose Daniel Ramirez. This is my presentation, Making My Mind Fun and Video Slide Presentation, English Level 2. Learning Evidence 4. I made a decision. Dilemma. Dilemma B. Case. Clara and Felix must make a decision. Importance level is very important. Uncertainty level is very uncertain. The stat could happen. Partner with the European company and guarantee quality. Succeed with the decision they made and grow as a company. Analyze very well and do not rush in your decision. The worst that could happen. They will make decisions without reason and will not think of a strategic decision. They will not complete with deliveries or manufacture on time. Liquidate the company due to poor communication between both companies, which will lead to bankruptcy. What my intuition says? The alliance with the Chinese company would be a quick decision think about the science issues with considering the European company. Pros and cons. Pros: higher performance and status of the company, better quality of your products, greater acceptance by customers, new market opportunities. Cons: greater monetary financing, continued delays in deliveries, lower production capacity, and migration of clients due to low production. Conclusion based on my intuition. The different options should always be evaluated first to make the best decision to meet the objective. Rational conclusion. Clark and Felix, by making a steady decision and evaluating the different contexts, can make your company expand and be very successful. Decision. Clark and Felix must agree to make the right decision. Think strategically to the best decision for the organization. I think the best decision is an alliance with a European company for quality, and many clients prefer that. Steps to follow. They must study both options thoroughly. They must agree and be clear about steps in the negotiation, and choose the best ally that allows them to expand and grow. Thank you.